The second company, the second customer case is about a printing house. This is kind of interesting thing that is happening now with our customers that are exporting their production, their products to European Union. Because of the Green Deal, many companies are now asking for not only quality products and cost-effective products, but also they are interested about the CO2 footprint, which has been created in the production process. So they call it green procurement. So this company wanted to, again, understand the energy flows to optimize the consumption. And then as they are printing the books and they are shipping them to different parts of Europe, they wanted to calculate precisely CO2 footprint for each particular book, for the batch of the books, so that they would be able to participate in different procurements, green procurements. And that's exactly what they did with the help of energy management system. They were able to reduce huge amount of their monthly energy costs. And and they did that calculation again with the help of this system. And as far as I know, these guys, they are outsourcing the reporting. So the outsourced experts went to them at the moment when it's needed. And the good thing is that at any time you're able to provide very useful data to different type of experts, and then they are able to do their job fast and in efficient manner.